Hi there, it's Fiona Goble here, and today I'm going to show you something called the mattress stitch, which is used a lot in my patterns to sew different pieces together. Most often it's used to sew side seams, but here I'm going to show it to join, how you use it to join two pieces along the horizontal. Once you've done it a bit, you can speed up. And I'm here just sewing the edge of the piece here, which is in stocking stitch, to this in garter stitch. But it really joins in pretty much the same way. It's just that when you put your needle under the top stitch here, I've got the stitch looks very slightly different, but it's exactly the same.